Hey guys, in this video I will show you some recent project I worked on, which is Easy.AI. This is a very interesting project. I started this project a few months ago, so let's start. The first one is the chat window. This window is pretty much the same as the ChatGPT. You could pick up different model, so you could start a new one and start some question over here. Start some. This is some built-in. You can also type your own question. So over here, now I think the different stuff is we have the real-time API. So you can call the you can do the call and ask the question real time. Hey, what? One second. Hey, what's the population of United States?
As of my last update in April 2023, the estimated population of the United States was around 332 million people.
Okay, that's it. Okay, what's the president of the United States?
As of November 2024, the President of the United States.
Who will be the next president?
The next President of the United States will be determined by the outcome of the 2024 presidential election.
Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye. So this is very useful. You don't need to type anything. You just ask the question by your voice. So which is real time, and you could interrupt that if you don't like the answer at the very beginning. So this is very useful. The next one is we also support like the text to image some agent. You could add your own agent, so you could create your own agent and put your prompt over there. So next one is the text. We already created some built-in agent, which this one is text to image. So you could use this one. You could type something like say dog is flying, so it will draw you an image. This is very useful. You don't need to use the Mid-Journey. If you don't have the Mid-Journey subscription, you could use this one. So this one is, if you only like a month, you only generate a few images, you could just use the basic start one. If you generate a lot, you could purchase the credit, something like that. So it will generate a image, and you can change the different style. You can change it to the oil style. I have a whole bunch of built-in prompts, so you could pick up anything you want. So it may need few seconds before it get generated. You can, after you generate that, you can download. Also, you have the history. If you want to download it later, you can pick up that later. So you can say you can download that. Yeah. The next thing, this is for the image, the text to image. You can also do the image, text to image. This is like a Sora, but we call the this one we call the API from the Runway. So we call the Runway API. If you don't want to pay the subscription for the Runway, so you could just use this one. This one will also use the same API, but a little bit more expensive than the original one. Yeah. The next one about the image to video. So you can upload an image and put some prompt over here, then it will generate a video for you, generate a 5-second video for you. This one also called the Runway API. Will do the same thing as the Runway API. So you can try with this one. Also, you have the history. If you already generated something, you could go here and find your history and download over here. We will store this image or this asset for few months. So based on your subscription, here is our subscription. The next one, you could also do the text to the audio. If you have some, for example, if you have some audio need to generate, if we have some content over here. We want to generate that. You just put to over here. It will generate you the audio. As well, you can reverse that. You can have the. You can have the. Let's make too long. You can reverse that. You can convert the audio to the text, something like that. I think the prompt maybe have some problem. I need to adjust that a little bit. So let's say, okay, let's change a different one. I will take a look why it's not get generate the text the audio. So the audio, for the audio, you can pick up different tone. Also, you can change that a little bit. You can change that at the tone. You can change the prompt. I believe it's not able to generate because the prompt is not specifically ask the ChatGPT to OpenAI to generate the audio. As well, you can upload the audio and get your transcription. So this one is. We also have the capability to remove the background to extract the text or something, a bunch of stuff. So there are a whole bunch of stuff you could do just with one subscription, one Easy.AI subscription. You don't need to purchase like a ChatGPT, the runway, clean, remove background. Yeah, we also support the some text process stuff like the translate. You could put something to here to translate to different language, revise, email, polish your email, format your email, or a whole bunch of stuff over there. You could create your own agent and put more prompt over there. One more thing, we not just only support the web version, the web address is over here, application address is over here, but we also support the different platform. So if you look at the home page, you will see we also support the iOS, not iOS, the Mac desktop, and you can download the Windows version, download the Mac version. We also support the Chrome extension. So a Chrome extension, you could just type the Easy.AI. The first one will be that's it. So you could install this one. Let me install this one, show you something over here. So once it get installed, you could refresh your page. This one will be easier to interact with the content in your page. So if you if you have it installed, you could get a pop-up over here. So you can get a pop-up over here. So now the pop-up will open this one easily, and you could use like the text to image based on what you select, or you could do the translate based on what you selected. Like this one, if I want to do translate, so it will translate that. It will automatically select your text and generate to the different language. And even more, you could do the text to, like if I select this one and select the text to image, so it will generate the image for you. You don't need to type this thing. Yeah, it also supports real-time API. You could do the real-time call. I probably will add more stuff over there and more functioning call. so it will automatically generate the results. This will help the people who want to use this one in their web page. If they don't want to use this one, if they don't want to install any application, they could just use the web edition. So the web edition, you could access the application directly. You don't need any extension. Yeah, I think that pretty much what I probably will put more video about how to use this one, how to generate, how to create the prompt, how to pick up existing prompt. So that will be more stuff, more advanced feature we could talk about. But this one just for a quick start of this project. I still have a lot of stuff need improve, or some bug I need to fix. Yeah, I will update you guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.